Welcome to this video on Facebook advertising. Now, last video was on social advertising. It included all the social media platforms in general, how you should advertise on e- in general all the social media, whether it's Facebook, whether it's LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, etc. Now this is more specific video that is addressing on specifically Facebook platform. Now before I forget, I clarify one thing that any point within this video, if you have any doubt or need more details, you can definitely consult my blog. The link of the blog will be there in the description. You can consult the blog. What all things we will discuss in this video, that is, we will discuss how to manage Facebook ads, what are marketplace ads, what are the object ads, what are page post ads, what are sponsored stories, what are wanted posts, what are premium ads, how to do remarketing or retargeting on Facebook, what is Facebook credit code, how Facebook advertising would benefit your business, most effective Facebook ad format. Is Facebook advertising worth it? Now, without further delay, let's proceed on to the next slide. Over to next slide. This is how you manage Facebook ads. There is something called a Facebook ad manager. The screenshot is given below. Using the Facebook ad manager, you could manage all the running Facebook ads running as well as all the past previous Facebook ads that has expired. So using this Facebook ad manager, you can manage all your Facebook ads. Over to next slide. This is how Facebook Marketplace ad would look like. You know already the Facebook Marketplace. Your ads will be placed inside the marketplace so that your listing gets a prioritized location in the Facebook Marketplace. So this is the screenshot of Facebook Marketplace ad. Over to next slide. Now let's discuss Facebook Object ad. Now there are various parts inside Facebook. That is, you have apps, Facebook events, Facebook pages, Facebook groups. All these are various objects inside Facebook. Now, object ads are ads that are, they are subparts of these objects that I already said. Whether you are doing it for brand awareness or whether you are doing it for reach, there is the objective of the campaign. What are the key consideration? What all things you would consider as your goal fulfillment? That is whether you want traffic, whether you want engagement, whether app installs, whether video views, lead gen messages. Now, what are you finally trying to achieve? That is conversions, whether you are trying to achieve catalog sales or store traffic, all these totally the parts as well as the subparts of the ad together they form the Facebook object ads. Over to next slide. Now let's discuss about Facebook page post ads. This is the older type of ad format. That is, you already know that a certain page post is promoted via this ad. A certain pages post, a certain post is promoted via this ad, and the viewers, the target audience, see this Facebook post inside their news feed, inside their regular feed as promoted or sponsored, as you can see in the orange circle. So this is how it looks in the Facebook wall, inside the Facebook users Facebook feed. That is the old way of doing Facebook post page post ads. Over to next slide. Now let's discuss about Facebook sponsored stories. You promote a story inside the Facebook stories. You have the Facebook stories and you promote your story inside that, and users will see as a story itself, no difference. They can only see the story. They would not know whether you are sponsoring the story. They would just see your page's name as you can see in the picture below. These would show up just like normal stories. Inside when the user watches the Facebook stories. You have Facebook stories, you have Instagram stories, you have WhatsApp stories. So this is a comparatively new Facebook story format, Facebook ad format. Over to next slide. Fa- Facebook promoted posts. Now let's discuss about Facebook promoted posts. Now these are comparatively older Facebook ad formats. That is, again, a particular page's story, a particular page's post gets promoted via advertisements. You see, it has ad text, it has image, it has URL, it must have a link description, it must have a headline, it must have a CTA button. So this is a comparatively older format of Facebook ads. Now more details you can find in my blog post. Over to next slide. The big advertisers, those who spend hundreds of millions of dollars or hundreds of thousands of dollars on Facebook ads, they get the privilege of using Facebook premium ads. You see that Facebook recently upgraded included actually six more premium ad formats, and you can see in the picture below, in the screenshot below, how Facebook has introduced premium ads for each category. Maybe for post you can see the premium ads. To promote any tool you can see premium ad. So you can see all these six other formats that has been recently included in Facebook premium ad. Over to next slide. For doing retargeting or remarketing on Facebook, you use something called a Facebook exchange. That is, this is how remarketing or retargeting works. Say, suppose a visitor comes to your website and adds some products on your cart. Maybe yours is an e-commerce website. So Facebook, the user comes and adds some product to the cart but doesn't purchase it right away. So Facebook would track the user wherever he or she, the visitor visits, on whichever web pages, and try and bring them back to your website so that they could proceed on with the checkout of the added cart items. So this is how Facebook retargeting or remarketing works using something called a Facebook exchange. Now this was, I said, an example of e-commerce store. But you can definitely, if you are into some kind of sales of your services or products, you can definitely do it for your website or your product. Over to next slide. Now let's discuss about what are Facebook ad credit code. Now any new advertiser on Facebook, they actually receive a 30-day coupon. That coupon that needs to be utilized within the first 30 days. The coupon may be $30 or $50 to get started using Facebook ad. That is Facebook ad credit code. You can see a screenshot of the coupon. Over to next slide. Now let's discuss how does Facebook advertising benefit your business. Now Facebook advertising is suited for every stage of your marketing funnel. You see in the picture below, every stage of marketing funnel is mapped with the Facebook advertising. Say for the awareness stage, you can use some kind of traffic ad or maybe app install ad, video ad, etc. for the awareness stage. For the consideration stage, again you can use some kind of consideration traffic kind of ad. You could engagement ad. You can include message ads, and finally in the conversion stage you can use stored traffic ad or conversion ad. All these kind of advertising formats are there on Facebook, and you can utilize it for your business's purposes. This is how Facebook actually helps your business or benefits your business in every stage of your marketing and sales funnel. Over to next slide. Now let's try and discuss which Facebook ad formats are most effective. Now I have this picture over here which shows you the mapping. That is what your objectives are and what are the Facebook ad formats that would help you achieve that objective. If your objective is conversion, you could have like a carousel ad or single image, single video or slideshow, canvas ad, collection ad. All these will lead to conversions on Facebook. Now, if you want mobile app installs, then you have formats like cane carousel ads, single image ad, single video and slideshow, and it will show up within mobile news feeds or instant articles, Instagram feeds, or audience networks. These are the placements you can show up on the Facebook ad. If you want product catalog sales, if that is your objective, then you have something like a carousel ad or a single image ad, and they will show up in the desktop news feed, the right column of Facebook, and the mobile news feed also it will show up Instagram feed, audience network. So these are the placements of the ads, these are the objectives of the ads, and these are the ad formats that are available for Facebook advertising. Now this, from this image you can make out what all Facebook ads what are the objective of your Facebook ads and what will lead to fulfilling the objective. That is how to make the most of Facebook ads. Over to next slide. Now let's discuss the question about are Facebook advertising worth it? Now here is the picture that is showing you what you want to achieve, what Facebook will help you achieve, how the best practices will help you achieve your goal, and what Facebook will charge you to help you achieve your goal. Now, if your goal is views, Facebook will help you achieve impressions. You pay for the impressions. And some of the best practices are you can care about showing your ad to most number of people. This is actually called the cost per million ad, CPM. Now there is something like a cost per click, CPC, that is you want clicks on your website or on your ad. Facebook will optimize your ad so that you get the maximum possible clicks. The basic strategy of performance advertising is the best practices, and Facebook will charge you per click on that. There is something like optimized CPM, that is whether you want conversions, so both impressions and conversions. That is, you would pay for impressions, but that will actually get optimized for conversions on your website. So that is Facebook optimized CPM ad. Then there is something like a cost per action, that is app install or video views. So whenever the action happens, Facebook would you want action people to take action on your website or on say Play Store or say wherever you have uploaded your app. So again, Facebook would optimize such that the action people take action on your ad, on seeing your ad, and Facebook will charge you per action on that CPA, cost per action. So that is how you see that whether Facebook ads are worth it. Over to next. Thank you. That will be all for this video on Facebook advertising. I want to know what new things have you learned regarding Facebook advertising. There is also a parallel blog as I mentioned previously. If you need any kind of details or if you have any kind of doubt, you can definitely read the blog section or post a comment with your question on the comment box below. The link for the blog will be there in the description below. Now, in the next video, we'll discuss about another ad platform, that is Twitter advertising. That is coming up next. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. Thank you.